rental car insurance coverage. Imagine this, you're on a road trip, cruising down the highway in a rental car, enjoying the sights and sounds of your journey. Suddenly, out of nowhere, another driver runs a red light and crashes into your rental car. It's a terrifying moment, and as you gather your senses, you realize the extent of the damage. But here's the catch. You didn't opt for the insurance coverage when you rented the car, thinking you might not need it. Now, you find yourself in a precarious situation. The accident wasn't your fault, but without insurance from the rental car agency, you're facing a mountain of expenses. From the cost of repairing the rental car to potential medical bills if you or your passengers are injured, the financial burden begins to weigh heavily. This scenario might seem like something out of a nightmare, but it's a reality for many who choose to forego the insurance coverage when renting the car. At Vermost Insurance, we understand the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. That's why we always recommend insurance coverage for rental cars. Now let's delve into the reasons why. First, liability coverage. Accidents happen, and if you're found at fault, you could be liable for damages to the other party's vehicle, medical expenses, and legal fees. Secondly, damage to the rental car. Insurance can cover the repairs for accidents, vandalism, theft, or other unforeseen events, saving you from hefty out-of-pocket expenses. Personal injury protection is another vital aspect. In case of an accident, insurance can help cover medical expenses, providing peace of mind for you and your passengers. Loss of use coverage is often overlooked. If the rental car is damaged and needs repairs, insurance can help mitigate those costs associated with revenue lost while the vehicle is out of service. Even if you have personal auto insurance, it might not fully cover rental cars, or you may have a high deductible. Rental car insurance can supplement your existing coverage and potentially save you paying a hefty deductible. Choosing insurance coverage through the rental agency offers convenience. It eliminates the need to involve your personal insurance company, simplifying the claims process. Furthermore, rental car insurance offers various types of coverage, allowing you to customize your protection based on your needs. At Vermost Insurance, we understand the importance of protecting yourself when renting a car. Contact one of our trusted insurance advisors at 727-748-2886 to learn more about how we can help you safeguard your travels.